Good day everyone, my name is Apple Grace T. Balombog, a BS Ed major in English. Today I will be having a teaching demonstration for English 8. The main objective of my demonstration for today is that at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to understand the difference between active and passive voice in the present tense and to use present tense in active and passive voice. Good morning, class! How are you doing all today? That's great that you're doing great today. So before we start, let me check your attendance. Very good, perfect attendance. So before we start our class, who can remind the class what is the active voice and the passive voice? Yes, John? Very good, exactly. So I have here an example. The child is opening the door. Who is the doer here, class? Yes? Very good. The doer here is the child. And who is the receiver? Yes, correct. The receiver here is the door. So how are we going to change this sentence into passive voice? So here our subject or the doer is the child. But what is the child doing? Yes? Correct. The child is opening. So here we have ing attached to our verb open. So which makes opening. So open to opening because we attach the ing. So this is an example of present continuous, which means that the child is opening the door right now. And of course, the receiver is the door. Now, when we are going to switch over to passive voice, we learned from before that our doer and our receiver swap places. So like our sentence here, our doer and our receiver are now in two different spots. So the doer class is now in the beginning of the sentence and the child is at the end. So what will happen to the sentence, class? Correct. So it will become the door is being opened by the child. So the door is still our receiver. So am I clear, class? Okay, so what do you think is our topic for today? Any hands? Yes? Very good. So our topic for today is about passive voice and active voice in present tense. So before we dive into our discussion, I have here an activity. All you're gonna do is to write your answer in 1/2 crosswise paper. So you have to identify the subject, verb, and the object in each sentence. So I will be giving you 2 minutes to answer.
Minutes left.
time is up. Now pass your paper to the front. Okay, so when we say present tense, class, it is the verb form you use when you talk about what's happening right now, or it's like happening right now. So for example, he goes to school every morning. She enjoys playing the piano. So these are the examples. Now let's use the present tense in passive and active voice. So let's start. So we have here an example. The teacher helps the student. So we all know, class, that this is an active voice, and we are going to change it to passive voice. So the student is helped by the teacher. Is it right or not? Yes, it is wrong. So is our to be verb, and the past principle would be help. So let's look at the present continuous. So the teacher is helping the student. So the first one is the teacher helps the student. Now the second one is the teacher is helping the student. So there's the ing again. Helping is present tense. So it will become the student is being helped by the teacher. Is that clear, class? Very good, mga quick learner yun mo. So no more question. Now let's move on to our hands-on activity. You will be divided into groups to work on sentence cards as forming sentences from active voice to passive voice, vice versa. So this collaborative exercise will enhance your learnings and understanding of active and passive voice. So I will be giving 3 minutes to answer. So are you all ready, class? Okay, now that you are all grouped into 3, the timer starts now.
Minutes left.
Okay, time is up. Pass your paper to the front. Yes, thank you. So as we progress, we will evaluate your understanding through an assessment. Identify whether each sentence is in passive or active voice by circling the correct answer. So I have here the sheet. Please answer right away as I gave the paper to you. So time's up. Zar, please collect all the papers and put it in the table. For your assignment, class, use 1/2 crosswise of paper and answer the following questions. So you have to explain what past tense is and give 2 examples of it. So that's all for today, class. Are we learning? Okay, thank you so much and have a good day ahead. Bye!